Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2014 Nissan Titan Pro-4X in a glacier white exterior and a black interior. This vehicle has a 5.6 liter V8 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It's a 4-door pickup that can seat 5. Making our way to the interior of the vehicle, we have all of the power side mirror and window buttons with power lock. Memory seat controls down at the bottom. Nice big speaker with a lot of extra storage space and cup holders. Door panel is made up of a black leather with black hard plastic as well. Both front seats are a black leather. They are powered as well with lumbar support. Pro-4X is put on the rear of the seat. Steering wheel is a leather wrap with your chrome badging. You have your volume, voice command, and menu selection over on the left. On the right, you have your cruise control. This vehicle is key to start. So, foot on the brake. Infotainment screen on the center console. You have your Sirius XM, FM AM, CD, and auxiliary. Over here you have your map. This car does have a backup camera as well. Climate controls all in the bottom with extra storage space. You have your heated seats down at the bottom as well. Leather gear shifter, 2 cup holders, lots of extra storage space. This flips down with all of your manuals and lug nuts. Side mirror, or rear view mirror, sorry. Sunglass holder. Up here you have your sunroof controls, overhead lighting, illuminated driver's side, as well as illuminated passenger side vanity mirrors. Nice sunroof stretching over the 2 front seats as well. You have the cover. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we have the aftermarket 16-inch rims on winter tires, black side mirrors and handle grips. Windows have a bit of tint to them. Capped gas tank as well as extra storage just down at the bumper corner. Badging's blacked out with the bumper covered in undercoat as well with your hitch installed. Backup camera just next to the handle. Easy closing and opening trunk. Undercoated as well with your bed cover. Making our way into the rear of the vehicle, we have the same black leather with black hard plastic on the door panel. Extra storage space and speakers down at the bottom, as well as a small one just up the top. Rear seats are also black leather. You have the center console that flips down, gives you 2 extra cup holders, pair of vents, as well as your spare cup holders down at the bottom. Power banks as well. Magazine holder at the rear of the driver's seat. You have your extra storage space as well, just up there with your overhead lighting. This truck comes with a full set of all-weather liners throughout the front and back seats as well. And finishing up with the right-hand side of the vehicle, you have the exhaust over here, PRO-4X. Antenna just on this side as well. Grille portion is blacked out with a little bit of chrome around it. 2 tow hooks at the bottom as well. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or check us out at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.